Morning students, we will start the new chapter today, limits. Okay, already we studied in first PUC limits and its continuous chapter in second PUC, limits, continuity and differentiation. Before I discuss this limits, continuity and differentiation, we'll learn about limits, right? Okay. Limits. What is a limit function? Suppose like a comma l belongs to R, real numbers, and fpa function defined a deleted neighborhood of A means that is some point neighborhood points of A. Then limit extends to A, f of x is equal to some value. So what is the meaning? F of x approaches to L, that is nothing but a limit approaches to L as extends to A. F of x approaches to L means approaches to L as extends to A. So that means limit extends to A plus f of x is equal to L is equal to limit extends to A minus f of x. Left hand and right hand both value exist. Both value tends to that value L. So this is the concept of the limit already learned. Okay, what is limit exist means left hand and right hand. Suppose limit exists at x tends to A. Okay, that means limit extends to 0 f of A plus x or extends to 0 f of A plus h. That implies limit extends to 0 f of A minus h plus x. H are a small values, that is nothing but. So neighborhood A plus x means right neighborhood of that dot, and A minus x means left of A. So this is a brief concept of the limits. Okay, some formulas are there of this chapter. Okay, we know limit extends to A x power n minus A power n by x minus A is equal to n into A power n minus 1. So similarly like this one, limit extends to A x power m minus A power m divided by x power n minus A power m, this is equal to m by l e to the power of m minus n. By standard theorem already proved in first PUC, this is equal to extends to 0 sin x by x value how much 1, sin x by x is equal to 1. Same like that, depend on this proving, tan x by x is equal to 1. Okay, like that, limit extends to 0 sin inverse x by x also 1, limit extends to 0 tan inverse x by x is equal to 1. Next, limit extends to infinity, sin x by x is equal to 0, and limit extends to infinity, cos x by x also, sorry, extends to infinite, sin x, okay, is equal to 0. Next, ninth, like that back of your first textbook, supplementary material, some formulas also is there. Limit extends to 0 e power x minus x is equal to 1, limit extends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a to the base e. Next, limit extends to 0 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is equal to some e, and limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax is whole power 1 by x is equal to e power a. So like this formulas, limit x tends to infinite 1 plus 1 by x whole power x is equal to e, and limit x tends to infinite 1 plus a by x whole power x is equal to e power a. So like this, remember these formulas will depend on formulas. Sometimes some more formulas are there. Depend on problems. I'll explain one or two problems are there. Formulas are there. From that exercise. Okay, limits chapter. Suppose f of x by g of x, problem like this one, g of x not equal to 0. So this is sometimes like this indeterminate form. Indeterminate form, so that is nothing but 1 tends to infinite, 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, and 0 to the power of infinity. So like this type of answers, we can convert these problems as by the rationalization, and means to convert by you to exist the limit as a rationalization or factors find. And next El Hospital rules means, El Hospital rule means, suppose f of x by g of x, this is 0 by 0 form, what we'll do, so El Hospital rule apply. Okay, that is nothing but f dash x by g dash x. So numerator derivative, denominator derivative. Still, okay, it is possible means no problem. Still, it is in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity means, one more time El Hospital rule apply. F double dash x by g double dash x until we get determined form. Okay, these are the formulas. Once you look those formulas, important that one. Using formulas sometimes easily like shortcuts. Okay, students, right. Now start the problems. First one. Okay, first problem. If f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, f of 3 is equal to 3, and find f dash 3. We know in the first year that by the LHS means first principle of the derivative. What is that one? F dash x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x divided by, before limit h tends to 0 divided by h. This is the first principle of derivative. Okay. They ask f dash 3. Take like that. F dash 3 is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 3 plus h minus f of 3 divided by h. Given in the problem, f of x and one condition is given. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. F of x into f of y. Right. Use that one. Limit h tends to 0, x plus h, x plus y, f of x into f of y. Therefore, f of 3 into f of h minus f of 3 divided by h. In this, f of 3 is common term. Limit h tends to 0, f of 3, f of h minus 1 divided by h. Okay. From this, x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0. f of x plus 0, f of x, f of x is equal to f of x into f of 0. Take this side. F of x minus, here is students, f of x minus f of x into f of 0 is equal to 0. F of x take common, 1 minus f of 0 is equal to 0. From this, f of x is equal to 0 or 1 minus f of 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, from this f of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, substitute. In place of 1, take f of 0. From this, f dash 3. F dash 3 is equal to f of 3 right outside. Limit h tends to 0. F of h. In place of h, I will write like this one. F of 0 plus h. No problem. And in place of 1, f of 0 divided by h. This is in the like a formula f dash x. So f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h is equal to f dash 0. F of 3 value given. What is f of 3 value? F of 3 value 3 and f dash 0 value 11. This is equal to 33. Okay. Okay. Second option is the correct answer. Right. Second problem. Limit x tends to pi by 2, 1 minus x by 2 by 1 plus x by 2. Take consider like that is your term. 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2, that is treated as one term, separate given, and into 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x divided by pi minus 2x whole cube. Okay. Right. One, you know, formula in trigonometry, from trigonometry, 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a, that is tan pi by 4 minus a. Therefore, this can be written as tan pi by 4 minus a plus here x by 2 into 1 minus sin x, now divided by pi minus 2x whole power 3. Direct substitute means what happened? Sin 91, 1 minus 1 0, here 2 into pi by 2, 2 into pi by 2, 2 to cancel pi, pi minus pi, 0 by 0, so undetermined form. So we can convert this to some repair. This is called removable means continuity. It means that is nothing but a discontinuity. Sorry, some does not exist, undetermined form. Sorry, that is continuous concept, removable and removable. Now this one, limits. So to convert like exist, how to convert means like here is given x tends to pi by 2, that implies x minus pi by 2, take, let it be h, x minus pi by 2 take, let it be h, as x tends to pi by 2, what happened? H value, h tends to 0. Suppose x tends to pi by 2, if you take x is equal to pi by 2, pi by 2 minus pi by 2, h tends to 0. So therefore, in place of x minus pi by 2, take this as x minus pi by 2, in place of that one, h tends to 0. Right. Tan pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus x plus what you take? Okay. What you take x plus? This implies x is equal to pi by 2 plus h. Okay, clear? Therefore, limit h tends to 0, tan pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 2 plus h divided by 2. 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x can be written as pi by 2 plus h divided by pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h whole cube. Okay. Then limit h tends to 0, this value tan pi by 4, suppose we take bracket inside, pi by 4 minus pi by 4 on this value minus h by 2. Okay. Right. 1 minus sin 90 plus theta. 1 minus sin 90 plus theta. Second quadrant, that is nothing but 1 minus cos h. Here you inside you multiply 2 to cancel and 5 by also cancel. Remaining value is minus 2h whole cube. Minus 2h whole cube. Right. 5 by 4, 5 by 4 cancel here. That implies tan of minus h by 2 minus tan h by 2. Limit h tends to 0 minus tan h by 2 into 1 minus cos h. Cos 2 theta formula take from that 2 sin square h by 2. This is 2 sin square h by 2 divided by minus 2 h whole cube means minus 8 okay minus 8 h cube 1 h I write here and one more h square into h is equal to h cube, right? Minus minus cancel and 2 4s, so that implies right outside limit is tends to 0 tan h by 2. We know tan x by x tends to 0 value 1. Like that we convert here there is no by 2, so multiple with 2 and divide, right? Sin square h by 2 means that is nothing but by 4. Therefore here h square is there, by 4 not there, multiply and divide by 4. So this value h tends to 0, that implies h by 2 and h by 4 tends to also 0. Okay, therefore 1 by 4 this value into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 1 by 2 convert. So finally this value is equal to 32. That value is equal to 32. Third option. Next, third problem. Here concept is step x concept. F of x is equal to sin of step x divided by step x step x not equal to 0. When step x not equal to 0 when step x is equal to means greatest integer function x. What is the concept of greatest integer function? Suppose this is the number line 0 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 less than or equal to this value step x concept 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Okay, above value we will take consider minus concept we want means, so minus 1 less than or equal to 0, 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. Clear? I will take this one. For example, suppose now consider here between 0 minus 1 and 0, between minus 1 and 0 consider any value. Suppose I will take minus 0.5. What is the resultant answer? Minus 1. Therefore minus 0.5 step x is equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 0.2 is nothing but the left of 0, right here. Therefore extends to, suppose not only minus 0.5, minus 0.1 take, no problem, extends to 0 minus, that answer is one value less means minus 1, right? 0.1 right of this one, right of this what is this value? 0 and between 1 0.1 take, what is the resultant answer? 0. So this value is equal to minus 1, limit extends to 0 plus value is equal to 0. Clear? So from this what you understand, limit extends to some c minus neighborhood of left neighborhood of c is equal to one value less. Suppose for 5, what is step of 5 minus left of 5 means one value less, 5 minus 1 4, right of c plus same. Suppose 5 plus is equal to 5, so like this one, this is the step x greatest integer function concept. right? Okay, so from this LHS at x is equal to 0, we'll take, right, limit x tends to 0 minus sine of 0 minus h divided by 0 minus h. Clear? Therefore, this value 0 minus h minus means what is this value? Minus 1. 0 minus h minus 1. H is smallest value. 0 minus 0.1. So that is nothing but minus 1. So finally this value is equal to sine 1 by, okay, sorry, minus sine 1 by minus 1 is cancelled. So finally this value is equal to sine 1. Okay, right hand limit. Right hand limit extends to 0 plus, what is step x value? 0 minus means that value minus 1. This is equal to 0. So is equal to 0 also given. When it is possible, f of x value is equal to 0. Right hand limit is equal to 0 and left hand limit value is equal to sine 1. Not equal. When it is exist, left hand limit and right hand limit equal, then only limit exists. So limit does not exist. So fourth option, none of these. Okay, right. Fourth question. Limit extends to 0. 3 4x minus 1 by x. Okay, student. Direct formula. Limit extends to 0. A power x minus 1 by x. What is the answer? Log a. So this answer is log 3. Clear? So third option, direct dependent formula. No need check out. So remember formula. Otherwise, suppose if you substitute 0, 3 4 0 value 1, 1 minus 1 0 divided by 0, 0 by 0 undetermined form. Apply L'Hospital rule. Same answer will get. Otherwise, remember formula. Limit extends to 0. A power x minus 1. Okay, a power x minus 1 by x log a to the base e. So log 3. So direct answer. Fifth question. F of x. F of x is equal to x plus 1, x greater than 0, x less than or equal to 0, g of x x plus 3, x less than 1, x square minus 2x minus 2, 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, x minus 5, x greater than 2. Okay, x greater than 2. Now x tends to 0. What will find? Limit x tends to 0. G of f of x will find. G of f of x will find. Right. X tends to 0. I will take 0 plus and 0 minus. They ask 0, so that's why 0 plus and 0 minus will consider. Right. Limit x tends to 0 plus. Where 0 plus? First of all, f of x. Consider f of x. 0 plus value here. I will take first of all f of x. This is equal to x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to x plus 1. Therefore, limit x tends to 0 plus x plus 1. This is equal to 0. This is equal to 0 plus 1. Okay, that implies 1 plus 1 plus. Now g of f of 1 plus means already f of x value 1 plus, therefore g of f of x is equal to g of 1 plus. Okay, what is the g of 1 plus? Where 1 plus means this one. 1 plus means sorry, this one. This is 1 minus left of 1. So 1 plus this one. Therefore, limit extends to 1 plus function is x square minus 2x minus 2. Clear? Right. 1 substitute. 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 3. Right hand completed. Left hand. Limit extends to 0 minus g of f of x. First I take f of x. Okay. Limit extends to 0 minus, what is f of x? 0 minus value is equal to this one. 2 minus x. 2 minus x. This value is equal to, substitute 0. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, that is minus. For minus value 2 minus. Now you take now you take g of f of x. G of f of x of left, that is equal to at 2 minus x tends to 2 minus g of 2 minus. Therefore 2 minus in g of x function 2 minus value where 2 minus or 2 plus. Okay, 2 minus. What is this value? This value means, sorry, this is 2 plus some means like this one. This is 2 plus and like this 2 minus, this meaning x below 2 of x value below of 2. So therefore what is this value? 2 minus. Okay. Four minus 4 cancel minus 2. Problem uh, 0. This value x plus 3 x square minus 2x minus 2 x minus y, this value okay. G of f of x 0 minus. Clear? Which this is 1 plus. Therefore, in this function, reciprocal. So therefore, this value is equal to 1 plus. 1 plus means x square minus 2x minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, clear? Greater than 0. This value 2 minus, so this value is equal to you take 2 plus 0 minus 0 minus means 2 minus x, 0 substitute 2 plus means 2 plus. Therefore 2 plus means x minus 5. X minus 5 is equal to 2 minus 5. That implies minus 3. So option is, second option is the correct answer. Second option is the correct answer, girls, students. F of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x. So we will consider any one limit, either plus or minus. So we will consider plus concept. G of x tends to 0 minus means we will get 0 plus means we get answer any one limit. So that's why minus 3. And next here also 0 minus, here consider 2 plus. Therefore this value is equal to g of f of x is equal to 2 plus. G of 2 plus is equal to x minus 5. X minus 5 is equal to 2 minus 5. That value is equal to minus 3. So therefore this is the second option is the correct answer. Right. Sixth question. Limit x tends to sin 1 by x. X into sin 1 by x. X tends to 0. When x is not equal to 0, 0 if x is equal to 0. Right. Suppose any one limit, left hand limit or right hand limit, x value how much? That x value is equal to, at x is equal to 0, what is the answer? 0, f of 0, limit x tends to 0, f of x value is equal to 0 answer. So we will check out left hand or right hand anyone. Left hand limit x tends to 0 minus, what is this value? X into sin 1 by x, therefore x tends to 0, 0 minus h, sin of 1 minus 0 minus h. Okay, this value is equal to limit h tends to 0, h into sin 1 by h. Clear? Okay. 1 by h tends to 0. 1 by 0 means infinite. So infinite means sin value. This value. So what is sign domain? Real numbers. Sign domain is real numbers. Minus infinite to infinite. Oscillate from minus infinite to infinite. What is its range? Minus 1 to 1. Okay. If you take any minus 1 infinite to infinite, what is the sign value? That value is equal to minus 1 to 1. Range is equal to minus 1 to 1. So sin infinite value minus infinite to infinite oscillate. Then that range is equal to minus 1 to 1 and into h is there, h tends to 0, h tends to 0, sin 1 by 0 value infinity, minus 1 to 1 answer, some real number, h tends to 0, that also some 0 into something, this value is equal to 0, is equal to f of 0. So answer is second option. Okay, right. Seventh question. Un is equal to 2 plus 3 cube, 2 power 5, 2 power 7 plus 2 power 2n plus 1. Next, Vn is equal to 1 plus 4 square and so on plus 4 to the power of n minus 1. Then n tends to infinity, u by n by b by un divided by bn equals. Okay, I'll explain this one. Un, right, 2 plus 2 cube plus 2 to the power of 5 plus 2 to the power of 7 plus and so on plus 2 to the power of 2n plus. First of all, we find from this value. This is in GT. Yes, A. This can be plus 2 into plus 2 square AR 2 to 4 4 plus 1 5 a r square. 2 3 6 6 into 1 6 plus 1 7 and so on. Okay, this is in GP. This is in GP. Sum of the terms in GP formula, Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This is the formula. Okay, r value. What is r value here? R value is equal to 4. R is equal to 4. Greater than 1. So sufficient this formula. Suppose r less than 1 means 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. That is dependent on r. Okay. Here a value to r place 4. N place that value actually GP formula. What is GP formula? Sum of n terms. Last term what? What is last term? A into r power n minus 1. So suppose this is the last term means how can we write? This can be written as 2 into 2 power 2n. Yes. A into r power n minus 1. So last term means how many terms? 2n terms. So that is actually a into r power n minus 1. You can write like this one. A into r power n minus 1. A into 2 to the power of some minus 1. So total terms how many? N terms considered actually in GP. Here also 2 power n plus 1. Right? Minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. 2 by 3 this can be written as what is last term? 2 to the power of 2n plus 1. This can be written as 2 square 2n plus 1 minus 1 2 by 3 into okay, limit. Find Bn. Find Bn. What is Bn? One plus 4 plus 4 square plus and so on. 4 power n minus 1. 4 power n minus 1. So this is also in GP. So like this 1 into plus 1 into 4. AR square plus and so on. Right. A into r power n minus 1. A into r power n minus 1. Right. This is in GP. Here also 4. 4 greater than 1. SN formula, same formula. A into r power n. Here is n minus 1. Last term that is. So that is power n minus a r minus 1. This is equal to 1 by 3. 4 power r power n minus 1. Here is n tends to infinite. Concept is n tends to infinite. So n tends to infinite means direct up to 4 to the power of infinity means that is infinite value. Here also some 4 to the power of 2n plus 1 means infinite. It is not determined. So we will convert some adjust like adjust we will convert 1 by 3. This can be written as I will write n minus 1 into 4. n minus 1 into 4, no problem. N minus 1 into 4. Right, this can be written as, here is last term. Okay, this can be written as 2 power 2n into 2 square. This is equal to 2 square whole power n into 2 power a12 into 2 power 1. So therefore 2 power 2n into 2 into 2. So therefore 2 power 2n only n. 4 power n into 2 into 2. Square root 2 power. Right. This is for 2 square whole power n. So 4 power n into 2. Therefore 4 power n into 2. Last term is equal to this one. So one value decrease. So directly n minus 1 is value. So n plus 1. Right. And take like this. So last term for this term ar square ar power n minus 1 actually last term. So n minus 1 not there means we want like that minus 1 plus 1. So like this one. So therefore this is n minus 1 term. How can you take this one? N term. N term means n plus 1. Therefore this value is equal to 4 power n plus 1. So I will write this also. Last term into 4 minus 1. Clear? Right. From this, what to take common? This value is equal to 1 by 3. 4 power n by 4 into 4 minus 1. 4 cancel. 1 by 3. 4 power n minus 1. In this, 4 power n take common. 1 minus 1 by 4 power n divided by 3. This is Vn. This is Vn. Here 2 by 3, 4 power n common. 4 minus 1 by 4 power n. 1 by 4 power n. Now limit n tends to infinite. Limit n tends to infinite. Un by Vn. Un by Vn. What is Un? 2 by 3, 4 power n, 4 minus 1 by 4 power n divided by this value. 1 by 3, 4 power n, 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. Clear? 4 power n cancel. 3 cancel. 3 cancel. Still remaining 2. Okay, n tends to infinite. 1 by infinity 0. 1 by infinity value 0. Therefore 4 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0. Finally this value is equal to 8. First option is the correct answer. Okay students, once you clear. Here is last term. Actually this is in GP. ar square. Sorry, ar square, ar cube. I can write this one a into r power n minus 1. So this is a. N minus 1 can be written as what? Okay, right? 2n. This is treated as n minus 1. So r value here 4. This is 2 power 2n can be written as 2 square whole power n. That is 4 power n. Last term is nothing but treated as r power n minus 1. But here take r power n. So this is n, one value n plus 1 terms total. So understand, ordinary GP term is ar square plus and so on plus a into r power n minus 1 is the last term. How can I take formula? Formula is r power n. So total n terms. Here also 4 power n. So total n plus 1 terms. That's why I take here n plus 1 and split to 4 power n into 4 minus 1. So directly infinity substitute means you get answer infinity. That's why. So take out common 1 by 4 power n. 1 by infinity value 0. That's why here cancel 1 by infinity value 0. So finally answer is called 8. So first option. Okay. Next we will try this one. 8th question. 1 minus cos x formula 2 sin square x. 2 sin square. This is submultiple 2 sin square x by 2. Okay. Do like that. And ninth also we will try. All else I'll explain it. Ninth question. F of x is equal to sin e power x minus 2 minus 1 divided by log x minus 1. Limit x tends to 2. What happened? Direct substitute means 2 minus 2 0. E power 0 will 1 minus 1 0. Sin 0 will 0 divided by 2 minus 1. So you can convert this one. Therefore, limit x tends to 2 sin e power x minus 2 minus 1 by sin x by x means 1 that value. So like that you want sin x. X means what is this value here? X e power x minus 2 minus 1. E power x minus 2 minus 1. So multiply and divide. E power x minus 2 minus 1 divided by, this can be written as, okay, right, x minus 1 can be written as x minus 2 plus 1. X minus 2, what will do that? X tends to infinity, e power x minus 2, okay, e power x minus 2 minus 1, this value, not like that, into 1 by x minus 1. Okay. Sin x by x is there. You know formula. Limit x tends to 0. This is 0. E power x minus 1 by x value is equal to 1. Like that you convert. This is treated as x. Y means here e power x. Consider. So x tends to 2 means x minus 2 tends to 0. It is clear, right? This can be written as x minus 2 tends to 0. This meaning x tends to 2 over r x minus 2 tends to 0. So e power x minus 1. Still what you want? E power x minus 1 by x. Okay. For sin x multiply and divide means e power x minus 2 minus 1, e power x minus 2 minus 1. For this x minus 2 minus x minus 2. Okay. So this x minus 1, okay, already this value also you know, logarithm of 1 plus x, or else we will see this one. First of all, this value 1. This value also 1. 1 into 1 into limit x tends to 2. How can write? Suppose 2 minus 2, 0. Apply direct L'Hospital rule. 1 minus 0 divided by log value 1 by x minus 1 into 1 minus 0. For this L'Hospital rule. What is the value? Now substitute 2 minus 1. So finally 1 by 1, 2 minus 1. So final answer is equal to 1. What is the value? So fourth option is the correct answer. Fourth option is correct answer. 10th is a textbook problem model. Is equal to pi given x square minus 1, take that side, that value however 0, so f of x value is equal to 2, right, like that. And this one, 11th question, two x minus 3 root x minus 1 2x square plus x minus 3. Apply limit. What is limit value? Limit x tends to 1. X tends to 1. Direct substitution. What happened? 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1 0. Here 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 3 undetermined form. So either rationalization, otherwise find factors like that will convert. So therefore L'Hospital rule also can apply, but these two terms UV formula 2x minus 3 root x minus 1 factors. What are the factors? 6 2x square plus 3x minus x, okay, not 2 minus 2 minus 3 2x minus 3 root x minus 1. So these two and these two, 2x comma x minus 1 plus 3 comma x minus 1, limit x tends to 1, 2x minus 3 root x minus 1. So this is equal to 2x plus 3, and this can be written as right like this one. X minus 1 can be written as root x whole square minus 1 square, no problem. Root 2 square cancel means x only. Limit x tends to 1, 2x minus 3 root x minus 1 2x plus 3 a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, this one will cancel. Now substitute 2 minus 3, 1 substitute 2 minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3 5, root of 1 plus 1, this is equal to minus 1 by 5 into 2 minus 1 by 10. First option is the correct answer. Right. 12th one will try 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n value like this one. N into n plus 1 by the sum of the n terms divided by n square. Limit n tends to infinite. This type of problems, n tends to infinite means better to cancel the highest powers of the n's. Here one more to take common. What happened? N into n, 1 plus 1 by n divided by n square into 2. N square should cancel. Limit n tends to infinite. 1 by n means 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity value 0. This is equal to 1 plus 0 by 2. 1 by 2. Second option. 13 will try. 14 also will try students. Next 15. Next 15th problem. Limit x tends to infinity. Limit x tends to infinity. X square plus 2x minus 1 minus x. X tends to infinity. So x plus infinity means this value is called infinity, undetermined form. So to convert the problem with rationalization, rationalize limit x tends to infinity, x square plus 2x minus 1 minus x, rationalization x square plus 2x minus 1 plus x divided by x square plus 2x minus 1 plus x. Okay. So this is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b value a square minus b square. Limit x tends to infinity, x square plus 2x minus 1 whole square minus x square divided by x square plus 2x minus 1 plus x, square root cancel, right? Limit x tends to infinity, x square plus 2x minus 1 minus x square plus 2x minus 1 plus x, minus x square cancel, and okay, some number is means substitute means no problem, but here is infinity, so direct substitution is also not determined, so that's why you can convert see carefully. Here x take common, x 2 minus 1 by x, right? Clear? Now here x square common, 1 plus 2 by x minus 1 by x square. Understand? From this, your root is there. Write it clearly. Right here, number step. See here. Limit x tends to infinity. Numerator is okay. Numerator x common 2 minus 1 by x. In denominator, root take first of all, x square common is 1 plus 2 by x minus 1 by x square after taking common plus x. Okay. Root outside you write this x square x. Limit x tends to infinity, x of 2 plus 1 by x of root of 1 plus 2 by x minus 1 by x square plus x. Now from these two terms take x common, x of 2 plus 1 by x of 1 plus 2 by x minus 1 by x square. Okay, for this root plus 1. Limit x tends to infinity. Limit x tends to x cancel. Now substitute x tends to infinity. 2 plus 1 by infinite value 0. 2 plus 0 is equal to 1 plus 2 by infinity 0. So 1 plus 0 minus 1 by infinity 0. Root plus 1. This value 1 plus 1 2 by 2. Answer 1. So fourth option is the correct answer. Next 16. Okay, just a brief explain. Suppose direct substitute x plus 0, 2 plus 0, sin 2 plus 0. What is the answer? And denominator x value 0, undetermined form. So that's why apply L'Hospital rule. So numerator derivative and denominator derivative. We'll try this problem. Okay. Right. This also 17 also same like this one. We'll try. And next 18 also rationalize with the denominator. Rationalization with the denominator. 19th problem. Limit x tends to 1 secant pi by 2 power x log x. Okay. Direct substitute pi by 2 infinite log 1 0. So this is undetermined form. So infinity is value. So that's why. Okay, infinity answer not there actually. In terms of like that. Alright. This can be written as log x secant, right to reciprocal, cos pi by 2 power x. Yes, that is okay. Log pi by 2 power x. Now substitute also cos 90 value 0, something by 0. Okay, right. Apply L'Hospital rule. F dash x by g dash x. This derivative by this derivative, not u by v form. derivative, numerator derivative, denominator derivative, right? Limit x tends to 1 by x, log x derivative, 1 by x. Okay. Cos derivative, sine pi by 2 power x, pi by 2 power x, and pi by 2 power x derivative into pi by 2 power x. Pi is constant. Pi is constant. So 2 power x can be written as okay, 1 by u formula, or else another method. Suppose 2 power minus x. 2 power minus x derivative. So means 2 power x derivative. 2 power x into log 2 or else. Better to this one. U by v formula. 2 power x into pi derivative 0. Pi by 2x derivative. 2 power x into 0 minus 2 power x derivative. 2 power x into log 2 into pi divided by 2 power x whole square. This is the, now substitute x tends to 1 by x value 1 into, okay, sine 2 power 1 2 pi by 2 value, so denominator 1, right? So this is minus, so minus 2 power 1 2 into pi, okay, log 2 2 power 1 whole square, 2 power 1 whole square, that value is equal to 4. 2 to cancel, so that implies this can be written as minus 2 by pi log 2, minus 2 by pi log 2, option 2 by pi, okay, is there, but minus not there. Okay, cos derivative minus sign, cos derivative minus sign, clear, minus into minus plus, right? So this is the answer, 2 by pi log 2, 2 by pi log 2. Third option is the correct answer, third option is the correct answer. Okay, 20. Limit x tends to 1 x power 7, suppose direct substitution, what is the answer? 1 power 7 1 minus 2 plus 1 divided by 1 minus 3 plus 2. So 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. Apply L'Hospital rule, we will find it's 20th question. Next 21. 21 also take LCM and that is extends to infinity. Extends to infinity means highest power taking common and it cancel, and suppose x square by x cube means it will cancel and then we get 1 by x. So convert the terms like this one. Extends to infinite means highest powers cancel and take, after taking common, some terms divided by x square, some terms divided by x cube. So this values tends to 0 as x tends to infinity. Okay. So 21 also will try. Right. 22. Limit n tends to infinity, r power n value is equal to 0. N tends to infinity, r power n, then r is equal to, okay, r is equal to, actually anything power. For example, r So that you can say take 2 power infinity, n value n tends to infinity. So to multiply infinity times, what is the answer? Infinite value. But given answer is 0 when it is possible. When it is possible means suppose 4 by 5. What is this value? 0.8. 0.8 multiply 0.8 multiplied so on. So tends to 0. So R value, they ask R value less than 1. R value less than, this implies R value less than 1. R value less than 1, direct option not there. Depend on 4 options. Which is the R value less than 1? First option, 4 by 5 is the correct answer. 4 by 5 is the correct answer. So R is equal to 4 by 5 is the correct answer. Second option 5 by 4 more than 1. Third option 2. Fourth option 1. 1 infinity times multiply it not equal to 0. So first option is the correct answer. Right. 23. Limit extends to minus 3. Limit extends to minus 3. 3x square plus ax plus a minus 7 divided by ax plus a minus 7 x square plus 2x minus 3. Given, suppose direct means what is the answer? Exist, already given. This problem, limit extends to minus 3, exist. Exist means to equate 0. Limit extends to minus 3, 3x square plus ax plus a minus 7 equal to 0. Denominator also tends to that side. Now substitute minus 3. 3 of minus 3 whole square minus 3a plus a minus 7 is equal to 0. So this one 9 3 is 27 minus 27 minus 2a minus 7 is equal to 0. Minus 27 minus 7 minus 34 minus 2a is equal to minus 34 is equal to 0. 2a is equal to minus 34. A is equal to minus 17. A is equal to, okay, wrong, minus 17 not there. Where mistake? Okay, minus 3. Here minus into minus plus 3a. Right. Plus 3a, but okay, 9. Sorry, this is plus 9 plus 9, 3 is 27. 27 minus 7. 27 minus 7. 20 minus 3. Okay, this is correct. Minus 3. So minus 2a. 20 minus 2a is equal to 0. 2a is equal to 20. A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. 23rd, first option. Okay. Okay. Next, 24. 24. Step x, greatest integer function less than or equal to. So already told to you students. Step x is equal to, suppose less than or equal to 0 less than or equal means some value 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. For example, lies between 0 and 1. For any real number else, then limit n tends to nth root divided by n is equal to, okay, use this concept. Suppose if we take 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. So means 1 and 2 lies between what is the f(x) value 1. So consider this one, n root 2 f(x) value n root 2 minus 1. Why means between less than n root 2. Okay. So n root 2. 2 n root 2 minus 1 less than or equal to 1 value lesser compared to 2 minus 1 can be plus 2 minus 1 like that. N root 2 minus 1 less than or equal to, this is x less than, this is 2, right, like this one. N root 2 by the definition of the greatest integer function, n root 2 minus 1 less than or equal to n root 2 less than n root 2 lies between this value, right. Divide by n root 2 by n minus 1 by n less than or equal to n root 2 by n less than n root 2 by n cancel. Okay, root 2 minus 1 by n less than or equal to n root 2 by n. This is greatest integer function less than root 2. Now take limit n tends to infinity. Root 2 minus 1 by n less than or equal to limit n tends to infinity n root 2 by n, this value. Okay, limit n tends to infinity root 2. So this value 0. Root 2 less than or equal to limit n tends to infinity n root 2 by n, greatest integer function, by sandwich theorem. You know, by sandwich theorem, what is this value is equal to root 2. This value is equal to root 2. So third option is the correct answer. Okay students, we'll continue remaining problems next.